If you're a steak guy, what carne con ancho is a chili rub steak with a big fluffy arepa and ancho barbecue steak sauce and a mixed saute of arugula, caramelized onions, roasted tomatoes, and Gruyere. What we do is we take Latin concepts and use Southern ingredients, or we'll take Southern concepts and use Latin ingredients. We use a lot of local ingredients and just try to prepare them in a different manner, something unique, something you're not going to find somewhere else. Going to Cape Fear Community College was a once-in-a-lifetime experience. People hear community college and they mistake the level of experience that can be found there from your instructors. And I was fortunate to take classes with some huge people in the industry. I mean, how cool is it to meet the teacher that actually wrote the textbook? I certainly remember Val Mason from when I was a student. She was a great instructor, taught me a lot of what I know today. And I think she does an excellent job of being hard on you. You know, I've been in Wilmington long enough. I remember when the culinary program started, and to see what she's done with it as that infant stage and to keep moving it forward and forward is huge. And she's an encyclopedia of knowledge, you know. She'll be the first to tell you there's a million ways to skin a cat, and she knows every single one of those million ways. For me, what was most enjoyable was learning the other side of things. You can cook as excellent as anybody. If you can't manage your food costs, you're not going to be in business very long. I worked in the industry for quite some time and eventually gathered a following for myself, and then decided I wanted something more. One thing led to another. I decided, you know what, I'm never going to work for anybody else again. And so we found this little building. My best friend Aldo had found it and saw that it was available. And from the outside, I didn't think much of it. Once I came inside, the wheels really started to churn. When you're running a kitchen, it's an all-day, everyday sort of thing. You have to take that plunge at some point. And you have to make sure you're ready for it, make sure you're willing to follow through. It can't be something you just dabble in. Make sure this is something you love to do. Culinary school's rough at first because the first semester is the basics. Trust me, learn those basic skills and get them mastered, because that's what makes the great ones great. They understand the little things and how to use those to push forward. I think every chef wants to be the best. I think a lot of people want to be the best, but a lot of people haven't sat down and thought about what that really truly entails. We just want to help put Wilmington on the map. There's a lot of great food here. There's a lot of great talent here. We've come so far in the past 10 years. It's really amazing to see what's going on. And I just want to make sure we're at the forefront of that.